Howdy everyone, I'm Biscuit, and what is mass?
Is the stuff that makes up everything. Mass is all the stuff.
We usually think of mass being the measure of how much stuff something has. So little rock has a little bit of stuff, the big rock has a lot of stuff. We usually measure mass in terms of weight, which is actually not directly mass, but it's the force of gravity on something, because you have to have this factor regarding the acceleration due to gravity on whatever planet or moon you're on, which 9.8 for us or whatever. Most of the stuff we interact with on a daily basis does have mass, and mass enters in a ton of physics equations from, momentum, energy, because the more mass something has, the harder it is to push. Not everything has mass. The thing we're most familiar with that doesn't is light. But light does have energy, and we do know that there is an equivalence between mass and energy. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you've not. I mean, Einstein came up with it. It's called E equals mc squared. So that's the idea that mass is really a stored types of energy that you could turn into other types of energy, like a nuclear explosion, or perhaps matter annihilating antimatter, which would make a super big explosion. Even more exotic things like dark matter has mass, which is actually really the only property it has. I mean, it doesn't even collide with itself. It just sort of goes and passes on through, or other things like neutrinos, which were believed to be massless like light, but then were shown to have the teeny little bit of mass. There's a little bit of mass. So mass is going to be a property of materials that we're going to use in a lot of equations moving forward. If you like this video, let me know. If you have any other ideas of things that you think I should cover, let me know. I'd like to start going through some basic physics concepts and equations and building up over time, but anything else that might interest people, I'd like to cover along the way. Thanks everyone for watching. Just remember that, you can understand this stuff. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Help me, Bob. Help me through this, Bob.